Okay guys, today ended up being a pretty good day when the mailman came. I ordered this not too long ago, and this is the SOG. Let me see here. The B66N Power Assist Black Oxide Multi-Tool. Okay. I seen this one and there were some things that I really liked about it, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick one up. And this is probably what I'm going to be everyday carrying for the most part. Okay, it comes in the nylon pouch there. Got a little pretty sturdy clip on the back. Not too bad at all. Be easy on and easy off. Okay, this is in black oxide. You can also get just regular stainless steel, but I kind of wanted the black oxide. Okay, first of all, I will show you the power assist I really like on this. Okay, there's a little bar down here. Okay, that's to lock the knives. On means it's locked, they won't open. Off means you can open them. Okay, then all you do is you just give it a little push and your knife comes straight out. And the blade is locked. You have to push the button right here to unlock the blade. And you can close it. Show you again. Very sharp. Great grind on that. I won't have to do any touching up to that blade. It's very sharp just as it sits. And then you push your, this is the blade lock button, push it over. You can close it, and then you can either keep the blade, you can either lock it so it won't open at all now, or you can keep it unlocked. Okay? I'll lock it. Then on the other side is the serrated blade. Same thing. Lock on, lock off, power assist. Nice serrated blade, kind of just like a knife blade. These are nice and smooth, no snag, means they'll cut really good. You can cut through any kind of cord, rope, things of that nature. This also has another blade lock right here. I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong side there. Right here. You hit that, and then you can drop your blade. Very fast opening with this power assist. That's one of the things I really liked about this. What else does it have? It has the ruler. Your ruler markings on the outside. Okay, see there? This side does not. And like it says right there, this is called their compound leverage assisted technology. Now the compound leverage that they're talking about are on these pliers. Look how wide they open. You can see right here, there's little gears in there. See those little gears in there? That's their compound leverage system, where those little gears are. Okay, so for every amount of effort you exert into the handles, it does twice at the head. Okay? These hard wire cutters are very good. I'm going to put a penny in there. Okay, and just show you. Clipped a penny like nothing. Okay? And here's one I did earlier when I first got it and opened it up. There's another penny I clipped earlier. There you go. There you go. So you can clip your coins if you need to. But it takes very little effort to do that with these hard wire cutters there. Has needle nose pliers up top, and then it comes down to the rounded portion, the oval mouth portion, and then you've got the wire cutters, and then the round beveled out part there at the bottom. Right here you have a set of crimpers right underneath the handle right there. And then here's where your tools are. They're only on one side of the handle. Let me open this little flap up, and here's where the tools are. Has a V cutter. Looks like this V-cutter could come in really handy for a lot of things. If there's something like some kind of line or cord that you need to cut, you can just let it slip right in there and pull down. Let your V-cutter do the work for you. Okay, let me take you to the other side here of it. Really sharp, almost looks like a razor in there. So I think that would work really well. Then we have a can opener with a small blade flat tip screwdriver on the top. Right there. The can opener. Okay, next. Next we have a bigger flathead driver. Okay. Get a couple of these out of here so I can get in here. Okay, then we have the Phillips head driver, and this is the Phillips #1. So I guess that's a pretty common one from what I'm hearing. So that's why they put it on this tool, because it's a pretty common Phillips head there, one of the most common standard ones. And then last you have a bottle opener with a flathead driver on top. Now I'm going to show you how the locking system works. SOG calls this their piano locking system. See these? It kind of looks like the piano strings. You can either unlock all or one tool at a time with these. See, you can just kind of push them down like that. They call that the piano locking system. So every tool locks. Something else I really like about this multi-tool here, and then this, of course, this is like a little latch here. Comes down and closes, locks into place over the tools. And then on the other side, of course, you have the knives. There's no tools over there. It says SOG in there. One of the other things that I really liked about this tool is, let me show you here. It's put together with many hex head bolts. Okay, down there and up here. You can take the entire tool apart, break it down, and you can either clean it or you can change out your tools. Okay? You can put different tools in there. They have scissors and different drivers and different sizes that you can put in there. But the only thing is, you only have so many spaces, and some of the tools may take up 2 spaces. Like the scissors might take up 2 of these, or, etc. But you can take these tools out and replace them with any of the several different ones that SOG sells, if there's something in there that you don't need. So that's kind of nice to be able to, take the whole thing apart and to be able to have the ability to change them out if you need to. Give you a little bit of close-ups on it. It really feels sturdy, feels very, very heavy duty. The weight isn't that much. I can't remember right offhand what the weight is, but it's not that bad. I really like this. It don't really get much faster than this. Power assist blades. If any of you guys have these, let me know what you think of them. Okay? I think this is really going to be a good tool, and I'm planning on carrying it and putting it through its paces. This is Humans for Targets and the SOG with the compound leverage power assist technology. And I'm out.